Here we are on one of the best preserved sections of Offa's Dyke anywhere. And on Llanfair Hill, we're in Shropshire. We have an amazingly deep, still surviving section of the ditch. It's over 2.5 metres deep here and at least 4 metres tall bank. So it's a huge monument at this location. And while it's a rare survival of a very impressive section, it also brings to mind how little we still know about this massive and yet enigmatic ancient monument. It's called Offa's Dyke, and we assume it was built by King Offa of Mercia, but there still remains doubts about whether it was all built at the same time, how many people were involved in its construction, and for how many years were they working to build it. There's still many debates about the extent and areas where we don't have the dyke surviving, and people have questioned whether it was ever there or indeed it extended from sea to sea, as Asser's biography of King Alfred the Great of Wessex a century later suggested. And we still have big debates about whether there were gateways, watchtowers, beacons, and what exactly it looked like. We very much still have only some of the bones of a once complete anatomy of the monument, and there are many other features of which we know very little.